Good evening. How are you doing? I was checking out your website and I saw a couple of things that I think you could do to maybe improve your rankings and get more business. So, first off, you have a really cool website. Really like it. Really nice layout. I can tell you put a lot of work into it. Looks good. So, I was wondering why it wasn't ranking higher. Right now, for McKinney Roofer, it's on the third page. And I know one of your main locations is in McKinney. So I was going to check out some of the stuff on your webpage. I put your URL into my tool, and this is what it found. So for your title tag, it has roof repair, roofing company, commercial and residential roofers. What you really need in there is your location. You need McKinney Roof Repair, roofing company, and then for each of your other major locations, you should have a location page. And that way you could maximize the juice that you get from Google for your trust for this site to get it ranking in one location. And then for each location page, it could rank in that location too. So I think for your main page should probably be McKinney if that's your main location. And then you should have location pages for your other main locations. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing. Meta description looks fine. And then for your H1 tag, Tallent Roofing, Inc. and Construction, that should say something like McKinney Roofing, McKinney Roofer, McKinney Construction, something like that, because the H1 tag is like the cover of the book, and it tells Google what you do, what your service is, and when people are searching, for McKinney Roofer, then Google knows, hey, this person does that. I need to return this, up higher in the rankings. And that's one reason, that's probably a main reason why you're not ranking as good as you should right now. And this is one of the first things we do is look at this type of stuff. This is one of our first processes is to go in and check your on-page SEO and see how it looks. But with a few minor changes here, you could do it yourself and improve your rankings. So now going to Google, here you are, I saw you here, and this is on page 3. Now, when you're looking up your own rankings, I want to give you a tip. This took me a while to figure out, but if you open a Google Chrome window and look at your own rankings, if you do it enough, Google's going to remember, hey, this guy likes this website. And so whenever he searches for this specific term like McKinney Roofer, I'm going to move it up in rankings because I know his patterns and I know he likes this site. So Google's smart, but if you use that to check your rankings, plain Google Chrome, it'll artificially move them up. That's why you should use an incognito window. It works with no history, and it would be the same as if anybody in the area was searching for that term, McKinney Roofer. It would give you, a clear return on exactly what they would see. And in this case, when I did it, it was on page 3. Now, 96% of all clicks go on page 1, so you really want to get on page 1. That's when your website is a strong marketing tool helping you get business in. Okay, so let's go to page 1. And one other thing, this is called the map pack, and I didn't see you in the map pack at all. Now I can help you get in here easy. I know how to get people in here. I know how to rank them in the map pack. I've done that many times, and people love seeing stuff here. They trust these businesses. These get clicks. And this is the start of the organic rankings. So this guy like Roofing McKinney, Texas, McKinneyRoofer.net, Dallas Fort Worth Roofer, these guys, they get most of the clicks. 87% of all the clicks on page 1 go to the organic returns here, organic sites, and most of them go to the top 3. So if people are going to call and get quotes, they're going to say, well, I'm going to call the top 2 or 3 people. These are the people they're going to call. And you're going to miss out unless you're up here. That's when you're really starting to grow, really starting to bring in a lot of revenues when you can get to this point. So that's about all I had. Hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions at all, or if you're ready to kick off an SEO campaign, give me a call. I'd love to help. I'll talk to you later. Bye.